The Worksheet section includes a series of tools for navigating and formatting worksheets, while also allowing you to add custom charts and forms. The Navigator provides a number of functions to work with and move between open workbooks, and their associated worksheets. Please note that the Navigator does not function with workbooks, with multiple document windows from the same file. When opened, the Navigator displays all currently open workbooks in the Workbook pane. The active workbook is selected, and the visible worksheets are displayed in the Worksheet pane, with the active worksheet selected. To display a different workbook or worksheet, select the appropriate item, and then double-click. The Navigator will display the selected workbook or worksheet. EnP Tools comes with a number of tools that will assist in the creation, or formatting of charts. The Add Waterfall Chart function will add a new sheet with a waterfall chart. The source data must contain 2 rows, and at least 2 columns. Also, the final column's title cannot be a number. Please note that the final column value will be recalculated. The added worksheet and chart have some additional functionality that is not included in the native Excel waterfall chart. With the basic Chart Formatter tool, you can quickly format charts on a worksheet based on the first selected chart. Based on your choices, the font settings for the following elements can be changed: the chart title, the x-axis, and the y-axis. The font settings that will be changed are as follows: bold, italic, size, and name. Also, the y-axis scale. Min, max, crossover, major, and minor units can be copied and applied. You can choose which elements to copy, and choose between selected charts, or all charts on the worksheet. You can create basic versions of the following: Pareto charts, vertical dot charts, and histograms. The following demonstrates both the Chart Formatter tool, and how to add a basic waterfall chart. The next 2 tools assist in creating radar charts. You can create a radar chart, with the data normalized on a scale of 1 to 10. This is particularly useful when comparing key performance indicators that have very different results. Example: pass rates versus cost versus incidence. With the Create Petal Chart tool, you can provide a clear visual comparison between different groups. This will allow you to quickly see the overall difference in performance between groups for a set of KPIs. There are 3 final charts that can be created with EnP tools. You can create a simple, plan versus actual chart, which will set the bar colors appropriately: green for favorable results, and red for unfavorable. These colors can be reversed with a button click. Sometimes there is a need to just show the basic trending, plan versus actual, without the clutter of axes, grid lines, etc. The Simple Chart tool allows you to select the chart to copy, size, and simplify. A dialog box prompts the user to select a target range. The chart is copied and sized to fit the range. Most chart elements are removed to leave just the data series. The simplified chart remains linked to the data source. The Create T-Chart function allows you to create a modified stacked bar chart to compare positive and negative changes. Finally, the last 2 charting tools provide additional formatting and placement functions. Label line last data point. Based on the selected chart, a label will be placed to the right of the last data point of any line series. The legend, if any, will be removed. You can move and resize a selected chart with the Move and Size Chart function. A dialog box prompts the user to select a range. The chart is moved and sized to fit the range. The following is a demonstration of the Normalized Radar tool. There are 13 formatting tools included in EnP Tools. Change case. Change is the case of the selected range, based on your choice. Please note that cells with formulas are excluded. Column to multi-column. From the selected data in a single column, this function prompts you for the number of columns to split the data across. A new sheet is added, and the data copied into the number of columns previously entered. Concatenate range. Concatenates a range of cells using an optional delimiter. The concatenated strings may be either actual, or displayed values. If skip blanks is set to true, blank cells, or cells that evaluate to a zero-length string are not included. Cycle fill colors. Cycles that fill colors of the selected shapes through blue, dark blue, gray, orange, and white. Delete hidden rows. Deletes all the hidden rows on the active sheet. This is particularly useful when using autofilter. Duplicate finder. Finds duplicate rows based on the selected column's content. The user is given a choice to delete all but the first row of the group of duplicates, or not. If not, the rows are grouped, and sorted to the top. The groups are then highlighted with alternating colors. Fill same. Fills blank cells with the value from above in the selected range. This works best with values, not formulas. If necessary, use the Formula to Value tool in the Utilities Miscellaneous Tools menu, to convert formulas to values, before using this function. Format range. Applies borders and alternating row fills, to the current selection. Join, merge, and wrap. Merges the selected cells. The text is merged with a line feed between cell values. Join and merge. Based on the selected cells, merges the cells and the text within. Make cells square. Sets the cells in a worksheet to be square, based on a row height of 15. Merge same. In the selected range, this merges adjacent cells in a column that have the same value. This works best with values, not formulas. If necessary, use the Formula to Value tool, in the Utilities Miscellaneous Tools menu, to convert formulas to values, before using this function. Reset used range. Resets the active area in the current worksheet. It is typically used after many rows of data have been deleted. From the Forms submenu, there are 3 functions available that will add a new sheet, and format it as a specific form. Add monthly calendar. Creates a basic calendar from the month and year, entered into the displayed dialog box. Add problem tracking sheet. Inserts a new sheet formatted as a basic problem tracking sheet. There are associated PowerPoint functions to create a problem tracking chart slide. The column headings are set up as named ranges. This allows the text to be modified, and the columns rearranged, while still maintaining the same PowerPoint output. Add SAP. Inserts a new sheet with an editable specified action plan based on user input. The user selects the start and end dates, and can choose between daily and weekly SAPs. For weekly SAPs, weeks start on Mondays, and the first week contains the user-selected start date. Essentially, an SAP can be used as a simple project planning document. The following demonstrates the SAP tool.